Hey, it's Sunfruit Danny, helping you get happier, healthier and more beautiful in the most natural ways possible. So you, someone that suffers with urinary tract infections, because a lot of people out there do, and would you like to actually heal it very, very quickly in a natural, cheap, safe and effective way, rather than going down the route of prescription antibiotics that is not actually resolving the issue within your body and actually causing more damage to your body, because it destroys all your good bacteria as well as your bad bacteria, which is key for an optimal state of health, for optimal digestion, optimal immune system functioning, and many other different amazing benefits for your mind and body to function in the best way for you. So if this sounds like you would like to learn how you can eliminate it in a natural way, then stay tuned, because I'm going to teach you how you can do this with raw organic apple cider vinegar, which is one of the most well-known natural alternatives out there. And if you're someone that suffers with a urinary tract infection, you know that it's very uncomfortable to suffer with this. And what is happening is that you're having inflammation of your body's urine producing system, including your kidneys, bladder and urethra. And urinary tract infections normally affect your bladder or urethra, and as I mentioned earlier, when you go to a doctor, they're just going to recommend antibiotics to you, which is just not really good to be using them whatsoever. And if left untreated, the infection can spread throughout the kidneys, which can be painful, and in some circumstances, in the extreme cases, can end up in hospitalization. So you really want to be avoiding that as much as you possibly can. And UTIs are normally caused by the normal bacteria on your skin and your bowels, or either one. And if the bacteria gets into the urinary tract, it will begin to grow and multiply out of control, causing your UTI. And bacteria can be spread throughout the urinary tract through sexual intercourse, through improper wiping of when having a bowel movement, and also due to having tight garments, and many other different reasons as well. And with pregnant women, UTIs can happen due to the uterus enlarging, blocking off the bladder from emptying fully, and then this stagnated urine allows bacteria to grow and thrive in the bladder area, causing a UTI. And some of the symptoms that people get is an inability to urinate, burning when urinating, also getting lower back pain or pain in your abdomen area, and other different symptoms as well, which is just not nice to suffer with in your everyday life for obvious reasons. And the reason why apple cider vinegar is so effective for eliminating UTIs is it contains an abundance of enzymes that prevent the bacteria from growing and multiplying, which then causes UTIs. So as you can see from what I've explained, this is why it's so effective. And it also just contains an abundance of amazing nutrients that are key for healing you from UTIs, and it also has an abundance of properties such as being an anti-inflammatory, so it's going to help reduce the inflammation, and it can work as a natural antibiotic as well. So there's many different things within apple cider vinegar that is helping you heal your UTI fully. So I'm now going to explain to you how you put this to use, and then I'm going to read out 2 testimonials of people that got amazing benefits for eliminating their UTI very, very quickly using the apple cider vinegar. So how you put this to use is make sure that you get raw, organic, unfiltered, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar that comes with the mother, that is in a glass bottle. Because when it comes under these criteria that I've just mentioned, it makes sure it is the most nutrient dense, so then it gives you the greatest healing benefits, and also it makes sure that it's not full of pesticides and herbicides and chemicals from a plastic container that a lot of apple cider vinegar is in. So if you don't know where to get this from, then I'm going to put 2 links down below, one for a US supplier, one for a UK supplier, for Bragg's raw organic apple cider vinegar that can deliver to your door. It's some of the most highest quality apple cider vinegar in the world that you can buy. So once you've got this, what you would do is get 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and mix it in 8 ounces of water. Avoid tap water at all costs. It's really bad for your health. At least get bottled water, or preferably reverse osmosis water or distilled water. Mix them two up together, and what you want to be doing is drinking this upon awakening in the morning, and then you want to drink it another 2 times throughout the day, so 3 times in total within a day. So the second time you would drink it is about 15 minutes before your lunch meal and about 15 minutes before your dinner meal. And by doing it multiple times throughout the day, it's going to give you the quickest UTI eliminating benefits. And a word of warning, apple cider vinegar is amazing for detoxifying your body, so you may get some detoxification symptoms. If they're quite intense, do not be scared off. Just reduce the dosage and then slowly build up over time, and only increase the dose once your detoxification symptoms go. And make sure after you've drunk it that you wash your mouth around with plain water for about 30 seconds, otherwise the apple cider vinegar can destroy the enamel on your teeth. And if you're someone that does not like drinking the apple cider vinegar because it does not taste nice, you've got 2 different options to choose from. One, you could add a teaspoon of maple syrup or agave syrup, or you could put a straw to the back of your throat in the glass and drink it down. So you've got 2 different choices there in case you really don't like it, because I understand not everyone does. And make sure throughout the day you are staying well hydrated, so your pee is almost clear throughout the day, because yeah, it's detoxifying your body, and to also eliminate a UTI you need to make sure you are being well hydrated throughout the day. And before I go on to do testimonials, some people are going to ask me, so I will answer it now. How long is it going to take me to get the full benefits? Well, from what I've read into from people's testimonials, a lot of people are getting the full benefits of eliminating their UTI within 28 to 48 hours, which is just wow, that's very, very rapid. But it may not be that quick for you, so give it at least up to a week or so in case it just takes longer for you, because yeah, not everyone is going to get the results as quickly as 24 to 48 hours. So do not be concerned that it isn't working if you don't get it in that short period of time that I've just mentioned. So now I'm going to read 2 testimonials, and these are on earthclinic.com in case you want to check them out. So one is by Dan, St. Louis, and he put, apple cider vinegar works for UTIs. I had bad burning and it was gone within 24 hours or so after consuming the apple cider vinegar. And he goes on to say, but if there is one piece of advice I must add, if you want to avoid the taste of apple cider vinegar, hold your nose when you drink it. This wipes away the unpleasant taste. My method is to drink 2 tablespoons, then chug some tea or juice, and eat a couple of bites of food with all my nose held shut. So yeah, he didn't like it, so he found a way that he could eliminate it tasting horrible to him. And then there's one from Caroline S from Midwest USA. She said, cured UTI twice with apple cider vinegar. Once right before a beach vacation, I felt it coming on. Took 1 to 2 tablespoons for 48 hours in 8 to 16 ounces of water for about 72 hours every 4 hours, including at 3 AM. It was gone, felt great, started a UTI feeling after antibiotics rounds, again cured within 72 hours of 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with 8 ounces of water 3 times per day. Also chugged water, and I did add a teaspoon of baking soda on day 1, but it made me throw up. Pure ACV just works fine. And she puts, PS, most recently also used echinacea tincture, a full dropper's worth into the mixture. So yeah, she found something else that was helping it alongside that as well. So as you can see, they got the results very, very quickly, which just is astounding. So yeah, you don't really need to go down the medical route whatsoever. That's not actually addressing the root cause of the issue. Instead, it's just masking symptoms and causing more issues than actually curing issues, should I say. And that's the end of the video for today. So if you like the video, as always, like it down below, give it a thumbs up, and please share this video with anyone you think needs to hear about this amazing natural remedy with apple cider vinegar for eliminating UTIs very quickly. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below to receive a lot more videos from me on an everyday basis, sharing so many natural remedies with you to help you go in the direction of healing so many health issues mentally and physically in the most natural ways possible, and also many natural remedies that you can use to improve your overall skin health, hair health, de-age your skin, improve your scalp health, and so many other things to help you look so much more beautiful externally, and a lot more youthful and vital as well. And yeah, like I mentioned, if you like the video and you like this channel, then please subscribe by clicking here. And I'm going to put a couple of videos here, well 3 videos. One, there'll be a video here talking about how you can use apple cider vinegar to lose weight very, very rapidly. Also a video that will be here telling you how to eliminate wrinkles very, very quickly. I've had people say that they can compare it to Botox and it works as effectively as Botox, but this is a natural alternative way that they found instead that was non-toxic compared to Botox. And I also put a video link down in this corner telling you how you can whiten your teeth and just give you that glowing white shine that you may be looking to achieve with your teeth. So yeah, as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.